For this recipe, you are going to want 1 cup of strawberries, 1 banana, and 2 cups of low-fat or non-fat yogurt. You're going to also need popsicle holders, or if you would like to use the small Dixie cups and popsicle sticks, you can use that as well. Other items you will need are a mixing bowl and a cutting board and knife. Take your diced strawberries and pour them into your mixing bowl. Then take your chopped up banana and dump it in there as well. Next, take your 2 cups of yogurt. I prefer to use Greek yogurt, but you can use regular yogurt as well. Then you go ahead and mix the items all together. You can use your favorite fruit of preference if you do not enjoy strawberries and bananas. And put it into your popsicle holders. This is a super easy, simple treat that is great for the summertime. Your kids can be a part of making it as well and get them in the kitchen and involved. If you want to use a flavored yogurt, you are more than welcome to. Or if you want to use plain, that is fine as well. Plain yogurt has less sugar in it than a flavored yogurt. Once you have your popsicle holders filled, put the sticks in. And now you're ready to freeze your sweet, delicious, wonderful summer treat. Put it in the freezer for 6 hours and then enjoy.